Here. Alright. Hello peoples, Grizzly back here. And we're here with food. Tasty. Let me see if I can find the chickpea wraps. Except I can probably just go to my recipes, right? Let's see. Buffalo chickpea wraps. Alright, so let's just start with everything that we need to pull out. Olive oil. Oh, okay, I have to. Every time, I gotta make sure I set you guys down. Okay, that doesn't go up all the way. That's as far as you guys can go. I learned a new trick of how I can get this out easier without having to get a stool. Boop, there we go. Use your tools. Always use your tools. Alright, let's see what else we need. Alright, we need chickpeas, 1 can. Chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans, just so you know. Garbanzo beans. Alright, garlic powder, salt. We got the salt right here. Since I'm going over here, I can put this away anyways. Lemon pepper. Oh, we actually still have a decent amount. I guess we didn't need to buy lemon pepper last time. Garlic powder. Salt. Buffalo sauce. Oh, thank God we still have buffalo sauce. Oh, thank God. Hummus. Need this hummus. Das hummus. Okay. But what am I looking for? Hummus. Hummus. We got roasted red pepper hummus. We found this one tastes really good, so that's why I get it. This can go in the sink. Lemon juice. Water, we'll get in a minute. Lemon juice. Oh, we have a second lemon juice. I'm like, we're going to need to get some more, but we're good. Water, we'll get a minute. Tortillas. Which I can get 1 out at a time. I'm going to set you guys down there for a second. Just so I can get a plate. And the tortilla, I have to use both hands to get this because I have to shove everything out of the way. Need lettuce, tomato. Okay, we had a bag of lettuce. Ah, there you go. Come here. Bag of lettuce. Bag of lettuce. Is it onion for this? I'm going to get rid of the zucchini because it... Blech. Tomato. Oh, the red onion is for tonight. Did not realize that. We got this. I don't know if we have something planned for dinner tomorrow. Okay, give me a second. This might end the stream. Just give me a second. Sorry. Nope, but it does need some red onion, so... And it needs cherry tomatoes, so perfect. So that's why I have the Roma tomatoes for tonight. Perfecto! Alright, so that's everything. So... You're staring at my floor for a second. Okay, so I got that. Got the tomato. So all this stuff goes on at the end. If I remember correctly. Our saucepan, heat olive oil. Then put in the chickpeas, garlic powder, salt, buffalo sauce. Yeah. The hummus and lemon juice are supposed to go together, but I just put the lemon juice on top, so you can kind of do with it what you will. So what we need is a large pan. Trying to check my text messages at the same time. Large skillet. I think it's already in here, right? Not that one. This one works perfectly. Large-ish is what I'd call it.